just to bring a little bit of a downpour to the day, my indicators have stopped working.
Okay, so for those that have followed the Fireblade series, you may have seen me whinge a lot about having indicator problems. A huge delay, sometimes they work, sometimes they don't, sometimes you turn them on, you have to wait like 30 seconds or a minute and then they start working. So, taken the plunge and I just bought a really cheap, kind of rather battered looking switch gear, whatever they're called, from eBay, like 20 quid. So, going to give that a go, just plug it in and see if it's that. Now the previous, or the current switch gear on the Fireblade, I've had it open, I've cleaned it thoroughly, but there's definitely something going on, and I can't quite work out what it is. So let's give this a quick look. Let's just have a look inside, give it a bit of a clean, and well, I've already cleaned the outside, it was really mucky, and then we'll put it on, we'll just plug it in and we'll see if that does anything. Now, where's the screw? Okay, there it is. Yep, there's the other one there. I have to take these out anyway to put it on. Okay, nice and careful. Okay. Not too bad actually. Oh, it looks alright. Okay. Let's give it a little bit of a clean in there, but doesn't look too bad at all. Okay. Right, well let's see what we've got. So goes to the clutch, they go to the horn, and obviously they go to the fuse box area. Right, so I've taken off the little infill panel here, and this is where the switch gear that goes through there over to there plugs into. Now, just to show you, for example, see there's that delay there, you get the dig dig, and then this one is doing that. Sometimes it doesn't even do that. Dig dig dig. Something weird there. And of course, because I'm filming, it's actually coming on. Last time I tried this, it literally wouldn't come on at all. So let's unplug and put the new one on and see if it's any better. So we've got cable that goes down to the horn. Got a short stubby screwdriver here. I'm not sure if there's anything else that holds this. Should just come straight off. And then this cable goes through there. There's another one that goes down to the horn. Okay, so that's you're out. And what was the other one? The other one was here. Nice and careful, I'm always losing screws. My fumbly fingers. Okay. Out you come. Clutch switches. Okay. Let's get down and do the horn. So I don't know if I can do this holding it in my hand, but okay, one. And where's the other one? Two. One switch gear removed. Right, let's do the other one. Sorry for the terrible filming today. Right, I've threaded a new one through, and doesn't fit. Oh, yes, it does. we go. It was going to happen, wasn't it? Come on, come on. Let's just get it started. Okay. What would you do about stubby screwdrivers, eh? Let's give it another check. Lights on, off. High beam works. Okay. Clutch switches, which of course we hope work. Well, after a bit of a fiddle, I got the horn on. Let's hope it works. Yeah. Nice. Job done. Let's get the side panel back on, and we're good. See ya. So this has to slot in here. Okay. Best thing I ever got from the Lidl middle aisle. I think I went in for milk. I think I forgot the milk. Oh, it's fantastic. 'Cause I've been living life right like I